minutes. Hi everyone, it's Helene from Springbok Craft Company. Today we're going to do another 20-minute makes. 20-minute makes is our series of videos where we try to make leathercraft projects in 20 minutes or less, just to show that leathercraft doesn't have to be too difficult and you don't need the most expensive tools. So today we're going to make a cable organizer, and it's a really simple pattern. Ta-da! Extremely simple pattern. Not to like brag, but I'm feeling pretty confident we could do this in 20 minutes. I'm pretty confident you can do it in 20 minutes. Why don't we go ahead, go through the materials and the tools we'll need, and let's get started. So this is all you need for the project: an X-Acto knife, a hole punch, an oblong punch. This is a 3/4 inch oblong punch. If you don't have this, you can just punch holes and then cut slits. And I also have rivets with the setting pieces, and I have a hammer and a cutting board. And that's all you really need. We're gonna get started right now. All right, so we're officially on the clock. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the strap that I'll need to make this. And I'm gonna cut this about 5/8 of an inch. I'm just gonna eyeball it. So we've got 17 minutes left and 18 seconds. All right, so we're doing pretty good. Feeling good about this. I'm also gonna round these corners here with this. If you have a corner punch, use the corner punch. Okay, so next thing we have is this strap. And we're at 13 minutes and 22 seconds. We're almost there. This side, turn this through. So we're gonna just fold this edge over like this. I'm gonna mark a hole right here. And I'm gonna lightly tap this. And I'm gonna punch the next hole over here. So you see, just like so, to lock the strap in place. Just like this. The project is done with 11 minutes left. Yeah, so that was a 10-minute make. Yeah, I'll show you how this works, but that was pretty simple. You kind of roll up your cords and then you slide it in and you pull it tight. There you go. So now you have your cords nicely organized, and all you do is roll it up. The cable organizer turned out pretty well. We made it in 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. So if you want a quick, easy project to get started in leathercraft, this is a super easy one. The pattern is free with the link for it in the description below. Please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It really means a lot. And I will see you all next week. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much.